The 21st century is witnessing a technological revolution. Machines are rapidly becoming more intelligent and capable. This is the age of automation. It is a time of great promise and potential upheaval. We must understand these changes to navigate the future successfully. Automation is not entirely new. For centuries, humans have invented machines to simplify labor. The printing press, the steam engine, and the assembly line are all examples of early automation. However, the pace and scope of automation are now accelerating at an unprecedented rate. This latest wave of automation is driven by breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. These technologies are converging to create machines that can perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. The implications of this technological revolution are far-reaching. It will transform the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. Robots are no longer confined to science fiction. They have moved from the pages of novels and the screens of movies into our everyday lives. They are increasingly becoming a reality in factories, warehouses, and even our homes. From industrial settings to domestic chores, robots are making their presence felt. These mechanical marvels are designed to perform repetitive, physically demanding, or dangerous tasks. They take on roles that are too monotonous or hazardous for humans. Industrial robots have been used in manufacturing for decades. They have revolutionized the way products are made, ensuring precision and efficiency. They are particularly adept at tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. These tasks require a level of consistency and accuracy that robots can easily provide. Advances in sensors, computer vision, and dexterity are making robots even more versatile. They can now see, feel, and interact with their environment in ways that were previously unimaginable. They can now handle delicate objects, work in confined spaces, and adapt to changing environments. This adaptability opens up new possibilities for their use. Beyond manufacturing, robots are finding applications in a wide range of industries. Their versatility is being harnessed in fields as diverse as healthcare and agriculture. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons with complex procedures and provide rehabilitation to patients. They bring precision and consistency to medical tasks. In agriculture, robots plant, harvest, and monitor crops with precision. They help farmers increase yield and reduce labor costs. Even in the service sector, robots are being deployed to clean rooms, deliver food, and provide customer service. They are becoming an integral part of our daily lives. The rise of robots is transforming the nature of work. They are not just tools, but collaborators working alongside humans to achieve common goals. While robots can enhance productivity and create new opportunities, they also raise concerns about job displacement. The challenge lies in balancing technological advancement with human employment. Artificial intelligence is perhaps the most transformative technology of our time, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. These capabilities are becoming more advanced and integrated into various aspects of our daily lives. AI systems are powered by sophisticated algorithms and vast amounts of data. These systems can process information at incredible speeds, far beyond human capabilities. They can analyze patterns, make predictions, and improve their performance over time. This continuous learning process allows AI to become more accurate and efficient. This has led to breakthroughs in areas such as natural language processing, image recognition, and machine translation. These advancements are making technology more accessible and user-friendly. AI is already pervasive in our lives, embedded in the devices and services we use every day. It powers our search engines, recommends products and services, and filters spam from our inboxes. These applications enhance our online experiences and streamline our digital interactions. In the future, AI will play an even more significant role in areas such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. It promises to bring about innovations that could improve quality of life and drive economic growth. While AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, it also raises ethical and societal concerns. Issues such as privacy, security, and the impact on employment need to be carefully considered. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humanity. This requires collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society as a whole to create a future where AI serves the greater good. The Internet of Things refers to the interconnectedness of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other objects embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity. This network of smart devices is generating an unprecedented amount of data, creating new possibilities for automation and optimization. In homes, IoT devices can control lighting, temperature, and appliances, creating a more comfortable and energy-efficient living environment. In cities, IoT sensors can monitor traffic flow, air quality, and infrastructure, enabling smarter urban planning and management. In industries, IoT sensors can track assets, optimize supply chains, and improve operational efficiency. The IoT is blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. As more devices become connected, we can expect to see a proliferation of new applications and services that leverage the power of data and automation. Section 5, A World Without Work. One of the most significant impacts of automation is its potential to displace jobs. As technology advances, machines are becoming more sophisticated and capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. As machines become more capable, they are increasingly able to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This includes not only manual labor, but also complex cognitive tasks. This raises concerns about widespread unemployment and social unrest. People worry that as machines take over more jobs, there will be fewer opportunities for human workers, leading to economic instability and social challenges. Some experts predict that automation will lead to a jobless future where machines do most of the work and humans are left with few options. This vision of the future is both exciting and terrifying, as it promises unprecedented efficiency but also significant disruption. However, history suggests that technological advancements tend to create more jobs than they destroy, albeit often in different fields. For instance, the advent of computers and the internet has led to the creation of entirely new industries and job roles. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the decline of agricultural jobs, but created new opportunities in manufacturing and other sectors. This historical pattern gives us reason to be cautiously optimistic about the future. It is likely that the age of automation will follow a similar pattern. While the transition may be challenging, new industries and job opportunities will likely emerge, driven by technological innovation. While some jobs will be lost to automation, new jobs will emerge in areas such as software development, data analysis, and robotics engineering. These fields will require new skills and offer new opportunities for those willing to adapt and learn. Section 6, The Skills of the Future. The age of automation will demand a new set of skills from the workforce. As machines take over routine and repetitive tasks, human workers will need to focus on skills that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Creativity will be essential for developing new products, services, and solutions. Critical thinking will be crucial for analyzing complex problems and making sound decisions. Emotional intelligence will be vital for navigating interpersonal relationships and collaborating effectively in a diverse workplace. In addition to these soft skills, workers will also need to be adaptable and lifelong learners. The rapid pace of technological change means that skills learned today may become obsolete tomorrow. Workers will need to be willing to embrace new technologies, acquire new skills, and adapt to changing job requirements. Section 7. Education in the Age of Automation. The education system will play a critical role in preparing the workforce for the age of automation. Traditional models of education, which focus on rote memorization and standardized testing, will need to be reimagined. Instead, education should focus on developing the skills that will be in high demand, such as creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving. Students should be encouraged to be curious, to ask questions, and to explore their passions. Furthermore, education should be personalized and tailored to the individual needs of each student. Technology can play a powerful role in this regard, providing students with customized learning experiences. Lifelong learning will also be essential. The rapid pace of technological change means that Individuals will need to continually update their skills and knowledge throughout their careers. Section 8. The promise and peril of progress. The age of automation presents both immense promise and potential peril. On the one hand, automation has the potential to free us from mundane and repetitive tasks, increase productivity, and improve our quality of life. It could lead to a world where we have more time for leisure, creativity, and personal fulfillment. On the other hand, automation also raises concerns about job displacement, economic inequality, and the potential misuse of powerful technologies. If not managed carefully, automation could exacerbate existing social divisions and create new ones. The choices we make today will determine whether the age of automation leads to a brighter future for all or exacerbates existing inequalities. It is imperative that we approach this technological revolution with both optimism and caution. Section 9. Embracing the future. The age of automation is not something to be feared, but rather an opportunity to be seized. By embracing technological advancements, investing in education and training, and fostering a culture of innovation, we can harness the power of automation to create a more prosperous and equitable society. The future is not predetermined, it is shaped by the choices we make today. By embracing the challenges and opportunities of the age of automation, we can create a future where technology serves humanity and benefits all.